7-inch circle template, you might like to just use your ruler. It's 7 inches wide, and mark a center line on that. So at 3.5 inches. And then some of your sheets, you need to cut these 7-inch circles out of the fabric. So this is the grey damask, and you need 2 of the 7-inch circles. There is a template there, but the mylar template is 7 inches. The purpose of putting the line on is if you would like to fussy cut. So this grey damask fabric, for example, you potentially might like to line up that center in the center of the design. So if you have a look at the fabric, so that the center goes down one of these lines here. It could go down the middle, but I would put the center down one of these lines, only if it's a fussy cut fabric. If it's an all over scattered fabric, then it wouldn't make any difference. But I had previously marked my circles there. Now that I've got my center line, I'm going to line it up, fussy cut it on that fabric. I'll just remark that. But I know I've got plenty of fabric for this one, so I can position it for fussy cutting. My brain will just work that way, and it would like to be in the center. Now I'll just cross out that one so I know which is the correct one. It's on the wrong side, so that's fine. It's just a ceramic. Now this is the finished size, so we need to add our 1/4 inch seam allowance, so we need 1/2 inch in between. So if I come up here, I'll come down here. I'm in the center. I probably haven't quite got enough, so I'm going to come across here. I'll come up here. And then I've got plenty of seam allowance between the two. And I'll mark my second one. And then I will cut those out with the 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I'll have my 2 circles ready to work with afterwards.